Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is HDMI, back with another video. As you guys know, today we're going to do like this drop shoot type of video because what I want to explain is kind of what I believe that everybody needs, what I try to search on the internet that nobody could find. I could not find it, and this topic, I don't know, it's distributed into different categories, which is how to use or how to live stream for your mobile phone. I know there are lots of ways you can use, but once it comes to YouTube and your subscribers is not up to 1,000 and you want to do normal professional type of live stream, definitely you need things and a laptop or something to be able to live stream your screen, or to be able to live stream from your phone out. So definitely we're going to talk about things you need for you to be able to live stream. The number one thing you need, which is the most important, is a capture card. This is the one I use for my own live stream, and this is the ZALUKE HDMI video capture card, which is under 30 bucks. You can actually get it for 27 or 25 bucks, that is in pounds, depending on the area or the country which you are. So this is really good and it works and serves me without no stress. The only problem you can have with this is that it gets hot.
Oh god, here it comes! Oh, hot, 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 hot! Hot, 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 hot!
So maybe if you're live streaming for 2-3 hours, this will get extremely hot or very warm that you might need to just stop the live stream, or you can place something cold on it so that it could cool. Any other thing apart from that, this works just fine without no problem. The second thing you might need is what is called a Type-C converter to an HDMI. So this is what we're talking about. So it's depending on the variant which you have. As far as it has both this Type-C here, sorry, let me just try to focus this stuff. Yeah, this is the Type-C converter. Instead you can get this, which has this type of mount, Type-C to Type-C. So it's depending on the type of phone. If you're using iOS, you just get the iOS to HDMI, or if you're using MacBook, or anything, you can use this, which is also an HDMI converter to the stuff. But I use a Type-C phone because I use the Samsung S9 Plus. So this is all you need, and yeah, after you use this, after you get these two, all you need is for sure a pair of headphones, and the cable switch you might need to connect is that this one already comes with this Type A cable, USB Type A, which we'll get to in a minute. So you can use this to connect that, and also you're going to need an HDMI to HDMI cable and an auxiliary cable, because the good thing about this capture card is that it has headphone output and microphone input, so you can be able to listen to your gameplay or listen to any live stream. Also, if you're live streaming from a camera, you can hear what you want to say. You can put a different mic into it. This is another good feature which I love about this capture card, which works perfectly well. This is the normal aux cable which you might see, which works perfectly well. So after you get all this is all what you might need for a live streaming, and definitely you should have a laptop lying around, or any mouse, or maybe if you want to make it much more professional, maybe you get what you called something Dex to control your live stream or something. And the type of laptop which I use is either this laptop, which is Core i5 6200U, which is a low, which is not really bright, but to make your live stream go, or I use this laptop which I reviewed on my channel. You can check it in the description below, or the video is popping out. And this is the Yoga, the Lenovo Yoga stuff. It runs my streaming setup really well, and I create 720p or 1080p videos with this. And only do I drop frames on this from 60 frames per second. So once you get all this streaming set up, now it gets to the connection, and definitely you're going to need one more thing, which we're going to get to. You're going to need the software which is called what's it called, OBS Studio. This software will enable you to be able to live stream, or you can get any other professional one. Maybe if you are used to vMix, yeah, it's used for live streaming. You can use vMix to live stream as well. But once you have that, all you have to do is to install it. I'll put a link in the description below for you to be able to install OBS. OBS Studio is free. It's free though, but vMix is kind of expensive, but OBS will do just fine. So after you get all this for your setup, now let me just teach you how you're going to set everything up. So first of all, your capture card, this is the first thing I would advise you to start plugging in. So just leave this cable, which is the USB to USB A cable, just plug one of them in here and leave this other end. Then you take your HDMI to HDMI cable, plug it to where it says input, HDMI input, plug it in there. Once you plug it in there, you're good to go. All you have to do is to put it outside. It comes to your converter, your USB type C to type to HDMI converter, or maybe if you are using iPhone or any other converter, you can also use this. Yeah, so you bring your phone. It's my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, which I use for my live stream as well. So all you have to do is to just plug it in there. The phone will just lit up, but it won't say anything for now. So just put that aside. Now all you have to do is to open your laptop, which you're going to use. Let me say this is your laptop right here. So can we just bring you down a little and just do you just like this. Then you unlock it. Fine, it stays fingerprints, type of scanner and stuff. So if you want to watch a review of this laptop so that you can know maybe you can use this for your live stream, just click in the description below. You can check out my videos out or subscribe. Yeah, so there are a lot of budget stuff on my channel which you can check out for you to be able to to see things you might like or things that are under budget. Even to this headset, I made a review. So if you're looking for it, maybe on Twitter, your gaming headset is really good. I've been looking and I've been using it. So this is basically all my gaming setup that I've already set here. So let's say, sorry, when you want to start any streaming setup, all this won't be included. This is how blank it will be. So all you have to do is to press the plus button right here. You click on it. The same, let's say, you can just name it like sorry, can you see the screen? You name it like my phone display. Sorry, why is it lagging? Maybe because it's trying to load up Teams or something. My phone display. So you press OK. It brings up this black screen. Don't be afraid, don't say anything. All you have to do now is to bring your connected stuff. First of all, you plug in this port, the second USB type A port. You plug it into the USB slot of your computer. So I've plugged mine inside there. So it should lit up. Just the USB port, no other place should lit up. It should lit up. Once it's lit up, all you have to do now is you can see my voice is showing on that meter. So you press the plus button and it seems to be good. It's going to pop out. So let me just close you. Sorry. Close. So press this plus button again. Now you go to video capture device. You click on video capture device. Press OK. You can rename it. You can just, so yeah, it's pop out now. So definitely you're seeing me, but you aren't supposed to be seeing me. So let me just reconnect this USB back in here. You're not supposed to be seeing me, but yeah, this is just this camera right here that is showing you myself. So this is a camera. All you have to do is to change it to USB audio video. So it's going to be blank. So all you have to do now for it to show is to connect this HDMI to your phone. So set here. I'm going to connect this HDMI. Connect it right here, and your phone should show HDMI connected. Did you see that? Let me try to make it focus. Move it and plug it back. It should show HDMI connected. So on your screen, can you see that is my screen showing right there? Have you seen it? That is my screen. So I can just open Call of Duty Mobile and you can see it right on the screen there. So all you press is OK, then you're good to go. So you can just resize this, just drag the corners to your suitable stuff for it to fill in this box. Yeah, good to go. So that's how you live stream. So all you have to do is to put in your streaming key in the setting right here. On the setting, go to stream, so it should pop out anytime from now. So you go to stream, then you put the streaming key there and you save it and you just press start streaming. I'm not interested in any game for now. Just press start streaming and start streaming. So that's basically how you stream from your stuff to your laptop. So